The kitchen transforms into a sanctuary as echoing choir music fills the air. Light beams emanate from the open dishwasher, steam rolling out like a mystical fog. Whiskers sits atop the rack, drenched and trembling, falsely secure. Whiskers, a ferret. I've died 42 times. Number 19. The dishwasher baptism. I thought it was a warm cave, anap zone, a sanctuary. But the machine had other plans. I was reborn, against my will. Water sprays violently from all directions. Inside the dishwasher, the world twists into a surreal nightmare of distorted shapes and echoing sprays. Whiskers recounts, I saw things. Plates screamed. Forks judged me. Like, follow, and never trust a warm cave again.